Welcome to another Yaad Eventz. Today we are at the final year visual arts exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you know me, you know I love art. So stick around and see what these talented students have in store for you. So I'm here with Dana Gooden, one of the final year visual arts students at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Dana, tell us about your final year project.
I major in visual communication, specifically graphic design. And for my final year project, I have conceptualized and designed a game surrounded around Jamaican music. And it comes in the form of a card game and a mobile app. It's created to get persons to engage with the culture, the music culture, and preserve it and honor the Jamaican music culture. And it's also educational in the same way.
Okay. Tell me how it works.
So the card game comes in 3 different modes. You have the which is trivia questions. So players will ask questions and the other team must answer. And then you have the selector mode where you scan the code that comes on the card and leads you to a music platform which plays the song. And you scan the code and then players have to guess what song it is and the artist that sings it. And then the final mode is called Pon the Rhythm. And you scan the code that leads you to the popular Jamaican rhythm, which
You have to sing it.
you have to sing songs that are on that rhythm.
That sounds engaging. That sounds like a nice social or party game. I definitely want to play this. Definitely want to play this game. All right. We know that there was a pandemic, and you're one of the students who were in that era of probably for the first 2 years of school. You weren't actually
all 4 years.
all 4.
Actually, yeah.
So tell me, how did you overcome that challenge? How was that situation for you?
Well, it was very difficult adjusting to the online platform, but my lecturers and I and other students, we adapted and we made it work. And we've come out strong, so.
Thank you so much, Dana. I love the concept, as I say, and I will definitely be reaching out to you because I think this is a nice little game that you can play. Kind of like, how Taboo give you that engagement and bare fun and bare laughter. Here is a game that encourages you to learn about your Jamaican music, about your Jamaican culture, and it is done by
Gooden.
Dana. So I'm here with Hoween, one of the final year students at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Hoween, how you doing? You feel good? All right. Tell me about your installation, but also tell me what program you did.
My name is Hoween again. I'm a final year student. I'm a painting major and I minor in jewelry making. This is my visual thesis. It's an installation titled Black as Color. The work references various practices by Western and European artists, and also modern movements such as formalism, constructivism, as well as contemporary practices and visual culture. The materials used in the work are of cultural significance across the Jamaican landscape and other black geographies. The materials used in the work are duck ant's nest, black pigment, tar, plastic bags, plastic bottles, and also charcoal and sponge. So these materials have been subjected to various processes to transform them to give a aesthetic response from the color black as a color and as a form. and to express the materiality and surface quality of the work.
Remind me what the name of your
Black as color.
Black as color. What's the message that you're bringing across with that?
All right, so it started with the idea that black is not a color, the absence of color and the absence of light. And being in Jamaica, in a country that is of a black majority, which we are descendants of Africa, it doesn't sit well with me hearing that black isn't a color when black is in fact a color which also has the same qualities that other colors have.
Okay. So you're using your art as an advocate No, this brings new life to what I already enjoyed looking at your pieces, but now this adds a different dimension to it. Black as color. And I hear that? Oh, yeah. Of color. Yeah? How long did it take you to complete this installation?
Okay, so this installation is an avenue chosen from last semester's thesis. So it's a year-long program where we explore the idea through the first semester and then we continue to the second semester. So this is second semester's work.
Did you have any challenges completing this installation?
Well, I had challenges from the start to the end.
Tell me one.
Some of the challenges was to procure materials to work with. As a reference, Art Povera, which is a movement where artists collect discarded materials and repurpose them to use in their artwork.
Okay, so that's where you got your...
Yes, so some of the materials were collected from the environment.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I wish you all the best. Hoween. Tell me what Hoween means.
I haven't given it a meaning, but I don't know anybody else with the name.
All right, thank you so much. If you're interested in coming to see the exhibition, it goes straight up until June 29. So you need to check it out. All right. Thanks again for watching another Yaad Events. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you at the next Yaad event. One love.